about the beads. Some people are very familiar with these beads. These are just normal hair extension beads that are silicone lined, so they protect your hair and pad it. They are meant to eventually break, so they never permanently get stuck in your hair. So after so many opens and closes, you're going to see them start breaking. You want to make sure that you do it nice and flat when you open and close them after so many times. And you can see that like the paint starts to wear off after so many retightens. I have to get this focused. When you want to replace the bead, you're simply going to go vertical on the T-bar and take that off. And then I always recommend to get a refill bag of beads when you order your first set, so you don't forget about it in like 4 to 6 weeks, depending when you need to replace the bead. So that's how you put a new bead on. And as you can see, the T-bar sits nice and tight, and it's even better when you've got hair in there. And once it's hanging on your head, then it's not going to shift around. So again, I'm going to show you one more time to replace the bead. You're going to take this, that's why these pliers are really handy. Take that and take it off. So there's no sewing required at all.